Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to set up the last week of 2022 in my work planner, which is a DIY disc-bound planner. The cover is burgundy from Moterm. The inserts that I use are printable inserts available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. By the time you see this video, the January inserts should be out. The 2023 monthly inserts have been out for a while. And yeah, so we are going to be planning the week of KWANZAA, actually, the week of New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, all of that in one. So this will be the 26th of December 2022 through the 1st of January 2023. I will be doing a KWANZAA theme. I'm also going to keep this very simple just because. So I'll be using this doll from Let's Get Planned, and I'm using these leftover stickers from the KWANZAA kit that I created. It's a digital, and it is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. So yeah, I have quite a few pages of it, but I think I'm only going to need the names of each day for each day, or names, all the principles and the symbols. So, and then I have this washi tape from Simply Gilded, and I think that's going to be it. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to do a very, very simple spread. I might add a couple of scripts. Other than that, that's it. So I'm going to use the thin washi up at the top and the thicker washi down at the bottom. I'm not using boxes. I'm not using florals. None of that. We're gonna tiptoe quietly out of 2022 this week with this spread in this planner. Let's go ahead and put down the doll. I'm gonna put her, she's big too, but I'm gonna put her here. I think I used her earlier in the year. I'm gonna use this colorful one. And are these the ones that didn't cut right? Nope, they cut. I'm gonna put this down here with her, because up at the top I am going to use the principles and the symbols. I hope I got the right ones going the right way. Let's use the smaller ones. Am I going to be able to do them all like that? Probably not. So let's do it like this. So we finished the sheet, and this is what I've got. Okay, so those stickers didn't cut quite right, and there's a little mark that's supposed to be here on Nia, and I'm probably putting it in the totally wrong space, but I'm just going to draw that in, and that's it. That is what I'm doing for this spread. So let's go on and put it back in the planner. Told you it was going to be very simple and basic. There's two more things that I do want to include, however. I want to at least put New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, or something to that effect. So here we are with these January stickers. I guess I will put Hello January. How can I do this? Can I put January here? We'll do that. We'll do New Year's Day. And we will do Hello January if I can get it to come off. Yeah, here we go. There. And I didn't even do New Year's Eve. Unless it was on another sheet. Those were cut horribly. So that was January. So I guess that's going to be it. Because I don't have a New Year's Eve sticker. I'll have to make one. Let me know if you prefer simple, basic, or do you like fully embellished and over the top? Let me know in the comments. So I was editing this video and I noticed my mistake. I put the washi under the box here. I put it in the box here. So I am coming back to correct that right now. If I can. Oh, I might not be able to. Let's see if I warm it up. It's pretty chilly. And grab my tweezers to help maybe. Maybe if I just put another piece under it. I don't think I'm going to be able to repair that. It messed up the paper a little bit, but let's see if we can repair. I just couldn't leave that alone. So that just shows, let's see, that not all washi tape is going to be removable. I need to put something down there. Oh, I could use this. That would cover up some of it. Okay. If I do that there, do I have another one that I can put on the other side? We'll use this one here. Okay. So there we go. That covers up my mistake. And I think it looks pretty decent. Yeah, it covers my mistake. Gives it a little something extra. I used a doll from Let's Get Planned, washi tape from Simply Gilded, and the Kwanzaa stickers are available to Scrap Craftastic patrons, as are the dated inserts and the scripts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Happy Kwanzaa, Happy New Year. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Bye.